Now, KSBW Weather Plus with Jay Galley.
All right, the weekend's finally here. We made it. Check out this site, huh? Sky Chem 8 Santa Cruz, beautiful weather outside, and it's downright hot. It's probably going to get a little warmer before it starts cooling off later this evening, and cooling off later this evening is going to be relative because we're going to have another warm night tonight. Checking out Steamer Lane. Yeah, let's check out our visible satellite picture. And what you're going to see is some high clouds moving in overhead. There they are. Picking up a little mid to upper level atmospheric moisture, but that's about it. That's moving on by, not really blocking the incoming sun. So it's going to warm up. Let's check in with some of those live net stations. Hollister, 95 degrees right now. That's right, 16% humidity level. Santa Cruz, there you have it, 96. Really hot stuff. That's at our live net station at Branson 40 Plaza. King City, knocking on the doorstep of triple digits at 99 degrees. Notice your relative humidity, only 11%, with the wind having an easterly component. So we've got warm, dry air, and that's not going to help the firefighters down south handle the Indians' fire. But one note, the winds are very light, so that's going to help a little bit. Mountain View, 88 degrees. That's at Moffett Field. So we got warm temperatures moving all over through the area. And if you're wondering, yesterday compared to today, here's how it looks like. Santa Cruz is 8 degrees more at this time yesterday. Now, right around noon, we're running 9 degrees warmer in Watsonville, 20 degrees in Monterey. That's right, 20 degrees. Salinas, 10 degrees warmer. Carmel Valley, 9 degrees. In Hollister with a whopping 16 degrees warmer this time today compared to yesterday. Now, out to the Eastern Pacific satellite picture. Large upper level low just spinning up in the Gulf of Alaska. High pressure centered right out here in the Great Basin area, desert southwest, if you will. It's been sitting there for a while. Not too much is going to change. We'll put our Futurecast model in motion. There's our isobars, our lines of equal pressure, and you can see that high pressure just kind of staying parked. It's actually growing in amplitude, so we got the warm conditions, and that's going to continue. There you go, Elisa. How you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. Because we got warm stuff inland at the coast. The marine layer is not going to return until Saturday night, but it will return. It'll be a welcome sight, at least for a little while. Then we'll go for some widespread cooling right around Tuesday. That'll be for everyone. Here are your winds. Check them out. They'll be coming a bit variable, and they'll settle down. We get a slight afternoon sea breeze, and then later on, we're going to get, again, a little bit of an offshore flow, so we're expecting another warm night tonight. Here are your temperatures, 80s and 90s around the San Francisco Bay Area. Santa Clara Valley, nothing but upper 90s, triple digits, and that's going to work right through the Salinas Valley. So, you know, there's no other way to slice it and call it except hot. 104, King City. Around the peninsula, 103, Carmel Valley, Monterey, 90 degrees. And as we go to Santa Cruz, 96 degrees is what we're expecting there, 104 in Boulder Creek. So if you can get out to the beach, you might as well head out there because it's going to be a beach day. Sunny skies is what we're calling for this afternoon. And your Weather Plus 5-day forecast showing we'll continue with the hot temperatures tomorrow. Then we'll slowly start trending them back a little bit as we start bringing in the marine layer Sunday. And then, Lisa, Monday and Tuesday, a little bit more cloud cover. But it's going to be a hot couple of days.
Yeah, I was talking that hot, hot, hot. I was expecting Buster Poindexter, that guy who sings that song, Hot, Hot, Hot.
With a big boof on.
That's right, to come running out, yeah. Well, that's the kind of day it's been. All right, thanks a lot, Jay. Still to come today, choosing a sunscreen.